the last one, and you will be the second one. So you're going to stand at the center. So I'm going to show you an object. You have to just tell me that if you recognize this. आपको पता है इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको डाइस कहते हैं. Perfect. So एक एक करके हम करेंगे. This can go wrong, and I will tell you. You will understand why it's difficult. Okay. So एक एक करके आप आएंगे यहाँ पे. आपको पता है इसमें 6 नंबर्स होते हैं. आप कोई भी एक नंबर सोचिए. उस नंबर को है ना ऊपर ला कर रख दीजिए. For example, if you're thinking of one, keep that number on the top so that the camera can catch later. Okay. All right. So जब ये करेंगे, और by the way, keep the number on the top and hide it with your hands. Then look at the way I'm hiding. I'm not doing this. तो कोई भी देख नहीं पाएगा इसे. और in fact हम कैमरा बंद भी कर देंगे जब वो सेलेक्ट कर रही होंगी. But go for your favorite number, keep it on top and go like this. Now I will try to tell you which number they went for. पहली बात तो ये तीनों के साथ एकदम सही से होगा. मेरा दिल इसके ऊपर अभी भी राजी नहीं है. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों. It's difficult दिल ऊपर. लेकिन अगर गलती से ये सही हो जाता है तो मैं आपको बोलना चाहूंगा कि मैं कोई भी एस्ट्रोलॉजर या बाबा नहीं हूँ. अगर नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं शो के बाद उनके बच्चों के साथ, उन्हें इनका भी कुछ पता ही है ना. होता है मेरे साथ. तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. और बाय द वे, एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज अ ग्रेट साइंस. आई हैव नथिंग टू डू. मुझे आता नहीं है. काश मुझे आ रहा होता. ओके, इट्स अ ग्रेट साइंस बट आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विद दैट. और ये बात पे प्लीज भरोसा कीजिए. यहाँ पे हमारी टेक्निकल टीम है यहाँ पे मुझे हेल्प करने के लिए, बट दे आर नॉट फीडिंग मी एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन. वो मुझे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन फीड नहीं कर रहा है. एज फार एज दिस थिंग्स आर कंसर्न्ड, आई एम कंप्लीटली सोलो. ओके, कैन वी टर्न ऑफ द कैमरा? And ma'am, we will start with you first. Just think of a number, keep that on top. Go for your favorite number if you have one, and hide it with your hands. And let me know when you're ready. If you're ready, tell me yes. You're ready? Okay, just tell me one thing. Is this your favorite number? So what's your name? Sonia. This is your favorite number, and you straight away went for that. And is this has anything to do with your birth date? Yes or no? Yes, exactly, Sonia. What do you do for a living? Nothing. That tells me a lot. You don't need to do anything. Maybe that's the reality. सोनिया किस तरह की व्यक्ति मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ओके, एक कहावत है, जितना मिले उतना कम. In a good way. Don't get me wrong. More is less for people like Sonia because they like to help people, and you know what? They accumulate ideas, they accumulate magical people in their life, they accumulate money, resources, so that when people like us, we are in need, they can straight away go and help them. उनको एक सिप पानी चाहिए होगा तो फिर वो एक दो बॉटल लेके रखेंगे अपने पास. ओके, so that if I or somebody else needs, okay, so you can have it. She's helpful nature, and you know, in even a situation like this, she went for the best number, and that's the highest number on the dice.
6.
Can you show to everyone which number you went for? Look at that. This is our story today. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you. And we'll do this with you. If I'm not wrong, you're a doctor because you raise hand. And second thing, you already have a number in your head. Yeah, go for it. Yes, you have a number. Just do I look like a Baba by any chance? Okay. Just hide it with your hands and let me know when you're ready. You're ready. I want to know your name. And what kind of doctor are you? Okay, got it. So you have a lot of leadership qualities. That means you will soon have kind of a lot of stuff under you. So think big, and you can go for it. I'm very sure about it. Okay, you have all the resources in the world. Leadership quality she got. She's very observant like Sherlock Holmes, and she's also wise enough not to tell people their bad deeds. वो लोगों को नहीं बताते जाके कि तुम्हारे अंदर ये खराब है या. और she's so humble that she will not take credit for the work she has done. वो मतलब सक्सेस किसी और का हो जाता है, but she will not tell कि ये मेरे वजह से हुआ. She's that kind of. And you are also very people like you. You're a people's person. You're like a butterfly in the garden. Yeah, people like you go for the number 5. Can you show it to everyone? That number 5, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. You can go back to your seat. And now, when you do something.